I'm Candy Sherwin. I am here to give you a tutorial for the dance called Boys. This is a 4-wall, 32 count intermediate level dance. No tags, no restarts. It's choreographed by Scott Blevins and Joey Warren. And it goes to the song Boys by Lizzo. So, here we go. It starts on your left foot with a rock recover into a coaster. Left, right, back, together, forward. Okay, one more time. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step forward on your right foot, 5. Half a pivot to your left foot, 6, which brings you to 6 o'clock. Keep following your left shoulder to get back to 12. Take your right foot forward for a quarter turn, and your left foot forward for a quarter turn. Okay? So that, what I did was I did my half here, and I just kept walking in a circle. So the first count of 8 goes, left foot on 1, 2, we have 3 and 4. Forward 5, half, 6, quarter, 7, quarter, 8. Immediately on and 1, you're going to take to the side, to a diagonal, right, left, step, step, and you're going to take a little pop, pop, pop. Rock, recover, turn, rock, recover to 12, turn a quarter. Just do that with me, because the counts are kind of funky. You have and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Now, you're going to step on your left, following your right shoulder. 5, half turn, 6. Now we're going to follow our left shoulder, step 7, and step back, 8. Okay, so you go one way and come back the other. Going back to that, you have and 1 and 2, right foot, 3 and 4. Step forward, left, half turn right, step forward, left, step back. Yeah? How about we take those 2 8s together? 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4. Half turn 5, 6, keep walking 7, 8, diagonal and pop. Rock, recover, turn, half pivot, forward step, back. Third count of 8. Your weight is back on your right. You're going to follow that feeling to come back to your original wall by stepping side, 1. You're going to hold 2. Now we're going to go back this way with a sailor that goes forward, 3 and 4. Okay, from here, let's go back to that one more time, make sure that you got that angle on that. So you're stepping here on 1, hold 2, 3 and 4. Take your left foot, you're going to bump it forward, bump, follow it, and step half. Now you're weighted on it. Right foot's going to lead with a triple, cha, 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 and you start to swing that leg around. It sweeps. Okay? I know, a little bit crazy there. So we've done 1, hold 2, sailor with an ending forward, 3 and 4. Push and step, 5, step back on your left, 6, follow your right shoulder, cha, 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 and it comes around. Okay? We do that up to tempo a little bit. 6, 7, 8. I have 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And from here, I'll stay at this wall and then I'll turn it for you so you can see my feet. You're going to take your left foot over, out, and a weave, back, side, front. Step out on your right, out, touch your left, out, heel your right, and then you're going to take a step, ball step. I think I did that wrong. Let me go over that one more time without starting my tape over again. So you have and 1, and 2, and 3, and you turn 4. Sorry, I blanked there for a second. Let's keep going. Let's go over that again. So the last count of 8 is just take it over, out, weave, back, side, front, step, touch, step, heel, ball, step, turn. I'm going to face this way so you can see it. So that last count goes 1, 2, 3, that leaves your left foot free to start again. Okay? We're gonna go back to the beginning and go nice and slow. From the left foot with a rock, recover, coaster. 7, 8. You have rock, recover, coaster, step, half pivot, quarter turn, right and left. And 1, and 2, rock, turn. 3 and 4. Stepping, half, turn, forward and back, turn 1, hold 2, sailor, 3 and 4, push, step, follow your right, go, triple, sweep, over, out, back, side, front, side, touch, side, heel, ball, step, turn. I'm going to do it at this wall so you can see a different angle, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, half, 5, 6, come back to where you started, and 1, and 2, 3, quarter turn, half, turn, go the other way, back where you started, hold, 3 and 4, turning right, cha-cha, sweep, step, side, back and front, step, touch, step, heel, ball, change, turn, and then you're at your other wall. Okay? Now there's no tag in, there's no restart, but there's kind of a nice clean ending at the end of the dance where you finish, I think you're at 6 o'clock, you finish the last count of 8, and you step forward on your left as you would as if you were starting the dance, 1, and you hold 2. And then you're going to do a rock turn, 3, 4, 5. And that just gives you a solid ending. So it goes 1, hold 2, step, turn, step. And then you're back here. So I know this one has kind of a lot of turns in it. So hopefully you can stop and rewind and go back in front and make that help. And so I think we're going to give it a shot and try to do it with music. Here we go on 5, 6, 5, 6. Left foot starts. 1, 2. Walk around. Half turns. Step ahead. Start again.
Baby, I don't need you. I just wanna free you. I want you free too. What's 2 plus 2?
on that last part. That was pretty good. That last part goes 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think I didn't do that well, but I am hoping that that fixes it for you. So this dance again is called Boys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I certainly appreciate you tuning in. I hope that you are a subscriber, and please feel free to share it and post it and comment. And I really appreciate you tuning in. So I hope to see you very soon on the dance floor. Thanks again.